The sun is pretty special. It made everything around us possible. And there's incredible value to be made from tapping into its vast amounts of energy through solar panels. But a lot of folks we know either don't have large shade-free roof space or they live as tenants who can't install panels on their roofs, making solar elusive to them. So, we created a new way for people to access solar without all the hassles that come with it. We call this a biscuit. It's a token unit for a portion of a solar panel that you can get through our platform. When you buy a biscuit, you own a part of a power system that we install at large spaces like factories and schools, who then pay you credits for the power generated. The more biscuits you have, the more credits you get, which can be used to offset your power bills or for anything else. So now, you can help your community and the planet a little bit more by generating clean energy and slash your bills, all at the tap of a button. Saving with solar has never been this easy.